inside a factory that makes 50,000 rotis daily. Every single day, this factory produces over 50,000 rotis. But how does it happen so fast and so perfectly? It all begins with tons of wheat, delivered fresh and clean through advanced machines to remove dust, stones, and impurities. Next, the flour is mixed with water in massive stainless steel drums, forming a smooth, elastic dough in just minutes. This dough is automatically divided into thousands of equal portions, each shaped into perfect round balls with incredible precision. These dough balls are pressed into thin, uniform circles, transforming into the familiar shape of a roti. Moving along high-speed conveyor ovens, the rotis are cooked evenly, puffing up as heat brings them to life. Automated systems flip and roast each roti to perfection, creating the golden brown spots that define their texture and taste. Every batch is carefully inspected to ensure consistency in size, softness, and color. Once approved, the rotis are stacked and sealed in hygienic packaging, ready to be delivered fresh. From the factory, thousands of packs are shipped daily to stores and homes across the region, from simple wheat grains to a staple on millions of plates.